Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix camera permissions not working on iPhone or Android on Snapchat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your camera permissions of Snapchat is not working on your iPhone or Android, all you can do is simply go and tap open your settings, and once you're in your settings, simply scroll down to apps. Once you're in your app section, you need to simply scroll down and find your Snapchat app. So once you find your Snapchat app right over there, simply touch it and go to permissions. Now you need to make sure that you have given permission to your camera. So if you have not given, then simply give permission to your camera for it to work. And if you have already given permission, then you can simply come back and go to force stop or even go to storage and simply clear your cache. Once you have tried this method, you need to reload your Snapchat and your problem will be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for our next videos. We will be back again really soon.